Welcome, in front of me is a HTC U Ultra, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this device. So to get started, we will need to power off the device. So let's hold the power key and select power off. And once the device is off, you then want to hold power key and volume down, both of those keys at the same time. And when you see the HTC logo, you can let go. And from here, you want to navigate using volume keys in order to select reboot to bootloader and then confirm with the power key. And once more, we're going to use volume keys to navigate and select recovery mode right here and power key to confirm it. And we should see some kind of like phone with an exclamation mark right about now. So once you see it, you want to hold power key and press volume up. Okay, there we go. So once you see this, power key, hold it, press volume up, and we're now in the recovery mode. So in here, again using volume keys, we're gonna navigate, and you want to select Wipe Cache Partition right here and confirm with the power key. Select yes, and you should see cache wipe complete, and reboot system now should be selected by default. So all you need to do now is press power key, and the device will go back into the Android system. And as you can see, we're now back in the Android system. So that is how you would wipe cache partition on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.